Hey guys, we just wanted to show the new project, Carson's new bed. It's a floating bed. It's what they call a floating bed. It's really just an optical illusion and everything. Took a couple hours to build. You can see it. We put some LED lights under it right here. We'll show you that. So, I mean, it's a good looking little bed, comfortable. There's some purple. We'll turn this light out and see. Purple, red. You can have a lot of fun with it. Yellow. We'll do some. That's just some changing. Okay. Anyway, real easy little project. Her bed was wore out. Like I said, they call it a floating bed. It's really just an optical illusion. I'm gonna put 2 videos on to show how we did it and everything. But it's super simple, but you don't have to worry about it falling or anything. It's just like a normal bed. I mean, you sit here all you want, lay anywhere you want to get. It won't fall over. But like I said, come up here, Colin, show it to her. It's just attached to the wall up there. Looks like a floating bed, so she should enjoy it a lot. But we just done this little project today. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get the videos on. Got a lot of fans that ask why I don't put any more videos on. I've not done it in a while, so my fan base has really grown. It's up there about, I guess, about 6 people now and stuff. So we're gonna put it on for them and everything. So maybe get 7 or 8 after we show this and everything. Floating bed, real easy. Try it, you'll like it. Thanks, guys.